Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to compare Lonely Planet and FODOR'S Traveler. Lonely Planet and FODOR'S travel guidebook brands out offer distinct approaches. Lonely Planet is a well-known travel guidebook publisher and app offering expert advice and recommendations for destinations worldwide. It offers detailed, reliable travel content for planning trips with expert insights. However, some of its information can be outdated, especially in fast-changing locations. FODOR'S Travel is a comprehensive travel guide offering expert recommendation on destinations, hotels, restaurants, and activities. It offers expert advice and detailed itineraries, ideal for planning well-rounded trips. The information can sometimes feel outdated, as it doesn't always keep up with rapid changes in travel trends. In my opinion, Lonely Planet is ideal for budget-conscious travelers, while FODOR'S is better suited for those seeking well-established destination. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you guys have value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.